How to transfer money from PayPal to bank card. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer money from your PayPal account to any of your bank cards. So let's get started. First off, you need to go ahead and open up PayPal and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you basically have to go ahead and find the card where you want to add your money. So just scroll down and go to card section. And if you don't see a card where you want to add your money, you can always link a new card to your account. So what I'm going to do is tap on link a card at the bottom. Then this will pop up where you have an option to enter your card number, expiration date, your CVV, and then your billing address. Make sure to enter all of your card details here and then tap on link card. Once you've successfully linked a card, it will be available on the wallet section. Then you can go on to the home page for PayPal and tap on transfer funds. Once you tap on it, on this menu you can easily select the amount you want to send, and once you've entered the amount, you can change the card from below by tapping on change if you don't see the correct card. And once you've successfully selected your card, you can see the details about your transfer down below, including the transfer amount. And you can also send money within minutes for no fee if it's up to $20, and it won't need any transaction fee for this transaction. So just go ahead and tap on transfer button down below and the funds should be transferred to your bank card. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one.